Welcome to the Bridge the Gap activity, where your team will construct a bridge and put it to the ultimate test of stability and durability. Assemble your team and use the provided materials to design and build a bridge between two tables. Collaborate effectively, ensuring that all ideas are heard and implemented inclusively as you create a sturdy structure. Decorate and customize the bridge, making it uniquely yours before the final test. Once the bridge is complete, your mission is to successfully drive a remote-controlled car across it, testing its stability and your team's engineering skills. This activity fosters collaboration, enhances communication, and emphasizes inclusivity while offering a hands-on, engaging challenge. Ready to build your bridge? Sign up for the Bridge the Gap activity and put your skills to the test.